Can you solve all these class 3 maths chapter 6 fun with give and take questions? 50 equal to dash.
Great thinking. 1 centi is the right choice.
5 plus 3 equal to dash.
Smart move. 11 is an accurate answer.
36 plus 11 equal to dash.
Nice selection. 47 is the correct and valid answer.
Dash equal to 23.
You got it? Your choice 33 is right.
10 plus 30 plus 15 equal to?
On track. 55 is the correct answer. 11 more than 25. Strong choice. 36 is the right answer.
9 added to 28 equal to?
Exactly. 37 makes sense, and it is right choice. Less than 422 is? Perfect. 322 is the correct choice.
10 less than 34.
Well reasoned. 24 is the correct choice.
110 equal to dashed ones.
Good thinking. 10 is the right answer. 23 less than 56. Great job. 33 is the accurate answer.
Half of 68 is dash.
34 is the answer. 11 less than 66 is equal to? Correct. 55 is the right answer. 100 equal to dash a tens. Nice work. You chose 10 and it is correct. 10 and 40 more is dash. Sharp thinking. 50 is the right choice. Which is equal to 628? 1,372 is a solid answer. 10 less than 34 is dash. Valid point. 24 is true. 25 apples plus 12 apples equal to? Smart pick. 37 apples is the correct choice. 13 more than 23 is dash. You're right. 36 is the correct answer. How much is 250 less than 300? Clear logic. Your choice 50 is sound and 100% true. If we add 1 to 999, we will find? Right again. 1000 is a valid answer. Which number is equal to 477 plus 433? Well done. 910 is the right choice. Which digit is in tens place in 328? Good job. Your answer 2 works well here. How much more than 33 is 55? Correct response. 22 is the most accurate answer. What should be added to 18 to get 30? Well picked. 12 is the correct answer. If we subtract 1 to 1000, we will find? You chose 9099, and it is correct. What is the total of 50 plus 70 plus 80 equal to dash? Excellent choice. 200 is the right answer. What number should be added to 25 to get 35? Right choice. 10 is the best answer. Find the missing number 125, 150, 175 dash. Solid response. 200 is a valid choice. The cost of 1 pen is Ros 10. 3 pens will cost dash. Excellent. Ros 30 is a brilliant choice. Ram had Ros 742 in his pocket. This can be written as great thinking. 742 is the right choice. What will come next? 100, 200, 300, dash 500, 600. Nice work. You chose 400 and it is correct. Subtract 0 from 3-digit biggest number. We will find? Smart move. 999 is an accurate answer. Write the missing numbers ponder 200, 300 dash, 500 dash. Excellent choice. 400 and 600 is the right answer.
Find the missing number. 300, 250, 200 dash dash dash.
Strong choice. 150, 150 is the right answer.
Which number would make the number sentence correct? To 789.
On track. 798 is the correct answer.
Which number comes next in the series? 4231, 4330, 31, 4431.
Clear logic. Your choice 4531 is sound and 100% true. I bought a book in Ras 340. It can be written as. Well picked. 340 is the correct answer. Price of one cake is 10 rupees. Then what is the price of 2 cakes? Valid point. 20 rupees is true. Yash has 53 stamps. Abba has 24 stamps. How many more stamps does Yash have?
You chose 29, and it is correct.
If you have 4 crayons and you take 1 away, how many crayons do you have left?
Correct. 3 is the right answer. Rahul had 57 cakes. He gave 30 to his sister. How many cakes were left with him?
Exactly. 27 makes sense, and it is right choice. There were 58 geese and 37 ducks in the pond. How many birds were there in total? Right choice. 95 is the best answer. James had 200 marbles, and he lost 40 of them. How many marbles does he have left? Sharp thinking. 160 is the right choice. There are 320 girls and 200 boys in the school. How many total students are there? Good job, your answer 520 works well here. There are 120 toys in a store. If 20 toys are sold, how many toys are left in the store? Perfect. 100 is the correct choice. Which of the following numbers will be present in the pattern below? 85, 75, 65, 55 dash. Well done. 15 is the right choice. If you have 17 crayons and you give 2 to your friend, how many crayons do you have left? Nicely done. 15 is a solid answer. If you have 70 cookies and you give 35 to your neighbors, how many cookies do you have left? Solid response. 35 is a valid choice. Raki is 12 years old. Her mother is 40 years old. How much younger is Raki than her mother? Nice selection. 28 is the correct and valid answer.
Amy has 6 toy cars. She gives 2 toy cars to her brother. How many toy cars does she have left?
You got it? Your choice 4 is right. There are 27 girls and 25 boys in class EA. Guess the total number of students in the class? Well reasoned. More than 50 is the correct choice. There are 28 cookies on a plate. If 13 cookies are eaten, how many cookies are left on the plate? Smart pick. 15 is the correct choice. Maria has 75 marbles and she gives 23 marbles to her friend. How many marbles does she have now? You're right. 52 is the correct answer. Ben has 25 toy cars and he gives 17 toy cars to his cousin. How many toy cars does he have left?
Excellent. 8 is a brilliant choice.
Jack has 20 stickers and he gives 14 stickers to his sister. How many stickers does he have now? Right again. 6 is a valid answer. There are 10 balloons in a bag. If 4 balloons are taken out, how many balloons are left in the bag? Good thinking. 6 is the right answer. Cue a pile of bricks has 600 bricks. 348 bricks were used in a repair work. How many bricks are left?
Bravo! 252 is the answer.
I am more than 20 and less than the sum of 18 and 12. I have a 2 in the ones place. What number am I?
Correct response. 22 is the most accurate answer.
Sarah has 20 marbles and she gives half of them to her friend. How many marbles does she have left? Great job.
10 is the accurate answer.
Tom has 96 chocolates and he gives 20 chocolates to his friend. How many chocolates does he have now?
Solid response. 76 is a valid choice.
If there are 30 books in a library and 10 books are borrowed, how many books are still in the library?
Perfect. 20 is the correct choice.
Vinny had Raz 500. She bought a book for Raz 37 and a bag for Raz 311. How much money is now left with her?
Smart move us 152 is an accurate answer.
There are 36 apples in a basket. If 20 apples are given to a school, how many apples are left in the basket?
Excellent choice. 16 is the right answer.
If there are 145 candies in a jar and 85 candies are taken by children, how many candies remain in the jar?
Strong choice. 60 is the right answer. Mrs. Geetha writes the following number sentence on the board. 600x dash equal to 0, which number would go into the box? Sharp thinking. Zo is the right choice.
Look at the pattern below. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, dash, 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 dash. What number should come in the last empty blank?
Well done. 72 is the right choice.
In a cricket match, Sri Lanka made 235 runs. India has made 123 runs. How many more runs does India need to win?
You chose 115, and it is correct.
There are 200 toy cars in a store. If 100 toy cars are sold, how many toy cars are still available for purchase?
You're right. 100 is the correct answer.
Pratik had 28 strawberries in his basket. He picks 35 more strawberries. How many strawberries does he have now?
Nice work. You chose 63 and it is correct.
Take away 21 from 35.
Right choice. 14 is the best answer.
There are 6 students in a classroom. If 3 students go on a field trip, how many students are left in the classroom?
On track. 3 is the correct answer.
A garden has total 320 plants. Out of these, 150 are roses and other are marigolds. Can you get number of marigolds?
Exactly. 170 makes sense and it is right choice. Add the number 37 plus 153. You got it. Your choice 390 is right. Lisa has 10 pencils and she lends 5 to her classmates. How many pencils does she have left after they are returned? Great thinking. 5 is the right choice. I am a 2-digit number. My 1's digit is equal to 6 minus 1. My 10's digit is equal to 2 more than 2. What number am I? Clear logic. Your choice 45 is sound and 100% true.
Look carefully at the number pattern below. 23, 43, 41, 61, 59, 79, 77 dash dash. Which 2 numbers should come next?
Correct response. 97 and 95 is the most accurate answer.
Look carefully at the number pattern below. 54, 55, 45, 46, 36, 37, 27, 28 dash dash. Which 2 numbers should come next?
Correct. 18 and 19 is the right answer.
What is the total of this grid?
Nicely done. 28 is a solid answer. If there are 96 pencils in a classroom and 38 pencils are given to another class, how many pencils are left in the classroom? Valid point. 58 is true. In Addy's school, break time is for 30 minutes. If he takes 13 minutes to eat his food, how much time does he have left to play? Right again. 70 minutes is a valid answer. Fill the circle with correct number. Well picked. 110 is the correct answer. Rita has some stamps. Dash. Jolly gave her 13 more stamps. Dash. If Rita has 29 stamps now, how many did she have in the beginning? E. Nice selection. 16 is the correct and valid answer. Ginny has hers, 173. She spent hers, 55 on a box of paints. Which of the following will help her find how much money is now left with her? Good thinking. 173.55 is the right answer. 29 birds are sitting on a tree. Some more birds fly up and join them. Now there are 142 birds on the tree. How many birds flew up to the tree? Well reasoned. 113 is the correct choice. Kishan has got an order to deliver 220 saplings to a school. He has packed 75 saplings in an open box. How many more saplings does he need to pack? Excellent. 145 is a brilliant choice. Sunny had 39 stickers. On his birthday, his friends gifted him some more stickers. Now he has 62 stickers. How many stickers did his friends give him? Good job. Your answer 23 stickers works well here. What numbers should be put in the two empty triangles to complete the pattern? Smart pick. 59 and 57 is the correct choice. Raja had rupee 156. He brought candles of rupee 98. How much money is left with him? 78 is the answer. Amani made a number pattern. She dropped ink on a number. What number is under the ink? Great job. 79 is the accurate answer. Tara's mother made 24 ladoos and her father made 35 ladoos. Tara gave 12 ladoos to her neighbor and took the rest to school for a party. How many ladoos did Tara take to school in all? Well done. 47 is the right choice.
Complete the pattern on the number train. Which number between 50 and 60 will be on the train?
You chose 54 and it is correct.
Make a word problem for the picture shown. Click ice after you have completed this question.
Bravo, yes is the answer. Kushbu bought a shirt for us 125 and trousers for ours 165. How much money did she spend altogether? Solid response. 290 is a valid choice.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Correct. Contact Narayan Changda on Facebook is the right answer.